All right, guys, welcome to another episode. We made a mistake. I lost some footage. This video, we're gonna give you our point of view and our opinion on a grill that Joey has bought for his 11 F-150. We kind of like it, so it's got a few things that we don't like. We'll talk you through all of those in the video. So here we go. Let's jump straight into it. This is our Raptor replica grill install on a 2011 Ford FX4 F-150. Enjoy. All right, guys, so quick update here on the quote-unquote Raptor grill, as Joey likes to call it. Once we pulled the pieces off to switch out these letters here so that you've got the F instead of the all O's, you can see that the grill here is actually set up F, O, the outline of the R and the D, so that it actually will fit and look right, unlike some of the cheaper ones that just have the all O's on them and then you use the stickers. So we've got a little surprise here on what we're going to do to the grill, but just so that you guys know, if you buy one of these, you pull all the screws out of the centerpiece here. You can see all the O's as we're talking here. So you pull all the screws out of those, and so just keep hanging out and we'll let you know what happens next. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're gonna scuff this thing up. We're gonna paint it, and then we'll surprise on what the paint's gonna be. We saw an idea on another truck, so we wanted to try it ourselves, see how it turned out. So far, this grill has turned out to be in pretty high quality with everything. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent on plastics and everything. Fairly thick material, pretty heavy, so should hold up pretty well. Got it all masked off there in the center because we want to leave the mesh the same color. And then again, let's walk over here real quick and show you guys the actual letters part. So you can see there, it'll be the actual full Ford emblem. The full kit comes that way. All you have to do is undo these screws here. The fake letter pops off. They give you the other letters to screw into place so that you've got the actual Ford logo instead of having to use stickers to make it look that way. So we're going to scuff this part up as well and paint it to match the outside trim of the grill. And then we'll walk over here real quick to the truck that is going to be getting this. Again, like Joey said earlier in the video, this is his 2011 FX4 F-150. It is the EcoBoost, so we're going to change out this grill here, and it is going to be getting the Raptor grill, so stay tuned on how that ends up turning out, guys. Alright, guys, so we've got this all scuffed up. It's all wiped down. It's all blown off. It's all masked off. It's out here in the sun, basically 60 degrees, which for those of you that don't know about painting, you always want to make sure that you're at least 60 degrees to make sure for the best stick, for the best product. We're going to see how this turns out. Now, this grill here is designed to just be slapped onto the truck. There's no reason to paint it, but we wanted to get a little creative. So what we're going to start off with today is good old-fashioned plasti dip.
That's right.
And we got some high gloss white. We're going to put some base coats down on it and get that part started, and then we'll go and get some Oxford white and finish it off so that it matches the truck better. Side note, little family time. Got kiddos over here painting up a bench for the oldest's bedroom. It was green. She decides she's got something for Paris, but for whatever reason, now they want to do black with splatter paint. So that'll be fun and exciting for today. So they're getting it all scuffed up, painted. You're welcome. Just be glad we don't have 1 million subscribers yet.
Oi.
Oi, like yee
Yee. Caleb underscore yee.
Shout out to Retard's Instagram.
Mine doesn't.
Yeah, she had more surface area than you, Jade, so I'll have to go help her. Yeah, that and in between all the slats.
Hey Robert, guess what?
What?
It's birthday week.
It's birthday week.
birthday week.
Uh-oh. You know what else it is?
What?
Back to school week.
Shut up!
Oh.
All right, we're gonna attempt this grill removal on this 2011 F-150 EcoBoost. Looks like about 10 millimeter bolts we gotta take out real fast. Shouldn't take but just a minute.
Problem's going to be reaching everything. Hit the ground. It's all right.
The hell bracket was that?
I don't know, but it did not hit the ground. One of these little tabbies here for the
Visor?
splash guard. Or, yeah, bug shield, whatever you want to call it.
All right, now we should just lower the hood a little bit and pop her out. Might have to take the bug guard off first. All right. I'm gonna stop filming for a second so I can lend a hand.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay guys, real quick, just so we can show you guys what happened, is these tabs here, there's a couple of them, which of course we will clean this up before we stick it all back in here, but it's this clip, and these. You're going to want to take a pry tool from the top, pull them out, and it'll pop out of there. And then you're also going to want to take, and there's a brace Joey's got in his hand right here. That brace there goes across the bottom of the grill. You want to put that back in there so it has structure. And the new one, if you see the corner, how it's got this little goofy tab here, and then the rest of these, if you look, even this one, the factory one, has that little goofy tab, and then it goes on through. So that fits in there just like that. It slides in there perfectly. And then the new kit also came with some new bolts, so you don't have to try and pop them out, so that you can screw it back in. Alright guys, we're going to finish slapping this all back together, and then we'll be right back.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, so I forgot to make an outro for what we did with Joey's truck here. So here is that grill. As you guys can see, the white matches pretty good, and that is just the plasti dip white. We've got some more touch-ups that we've got to do to it. And we've got an idea on the lights for the top. We just got to get those done. So here you go, guys. Stay tuned for more updates, more upgrades, and more shenanigans with this truck, as well as everything else on our channel. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you later.